Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will answer to the question if Samsung Galaxy A05s has a fingerprint sensor for unlock the screen. So here is my Galaxy A05s and to find out just go to settings and here go done and we have here security and privacy. Tap to go inside. Now go down and here we have biometrics. Tap again and yes, here we have fingerprints and you can add your fingerprint. Tap to go inside. Now here tap continue and first you need to set the secure screen lock. Just tap next and you can choose from a pin, password or pattern. I will choose a pattern and I will draw my unlock pattern and tap continue and I will draw it again, confirm. Okay, and now you need to scan your fingerprint and the fingerprint sensor is located on the side of your phone on the power button. Okay, and now just tap here. Okay, and you need to have a little patience until the scan is over. Just move your finger all around the fingerprint sensor like this. Okay, now we have 19%, 95, and it's done. Fingerprint has been added. Just tap done. Turn on remote unlock. I will choose cancel and now I will exit and let's see how the fingerprint works. I will lock the screen and now to unlock just put your finger here and as you can see it's working very well. Now I will try with another finger and to unlock the screen just touch the button and that's all. So I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.